Finding a helmet that protects your life without draining your wallet seems impossible. But what if I told you 7 helmets under $200 could actually save you and keep you comfortable on every ride? Today, we're diving deep into the best motorcycle helmets you can grab for under $200. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend warrior, or someone just getting into riding, choosing the right helmet is literally a life or death decision. Let's get into it. Number 7. AMA-MBK-S. This is a full-face helmet that comes in at an incredibly budget-friendly price point around $70. This helmet features a lightweight ABS shell construction and meets DOT safety standards, which means it passes the basic requirements for road use. The JK313 comes with 2 visors, a clear one and a smoked one, plus a winter neck scarf, which is actually a pretty generous package for the price. The streamlined design is supposed to reduce wind noise, and it does work to some degree, though we'll get into that in a moment. After putting this helmet through its paces over several weeks, I found it delivers on the basics, but falls short in some key areas. The ventilation system includes adjustable vents on top and front, which you can open and close with your fingers. However, the airflow isn't as efficient as higher-end models, and on hot days, you'll definitely feel the heat building up inside. The interior features removable and washable liners with buckles for easy maintenance, which is convenient when they get sweaty. The quick-release strap makes taking the helmet on and off relatively easy, though the mechanism feels a bit plasticky compared to more premium options. Where the JK313 really struggles is in comfort during longer rides. The padding, while adequate for short trips, tends to compress after an hour or so, creating pressure points on my forehead and cheeks. The helmet weighs just under 3 pounds, which isn't terrible, but you do feel that weight on your neck after extended highway riding. Number 6. BEON B20. This is a retro-styled open-face helmet that appeals to cruiser and scooter riders who want that vintage aesthetic. This 3/4 helmet features an ABS shell and comes with dual visors, a clear visor and a tinted one, giving you options for different lighting conditions. The B120 claims ECE R22-05 or DOT certification, depending on where you purchase it, though there's some inconsistency in the listings, which honestly raises some concerns. At around 1150 grams, it's relatively lightweight for an open-face design. The retro look is definitely this helmet's strongest selling point, and it pairs beautifully with vintage motorcycles and cruisers. The integrated sun visor flips down easily, and the luxury interior provides decent comfort for urban riding. However, as someone who tested this on both city streets and occasional highway jaunts, I need to be honest about its limitations. The open-face design means your chin and jaw are completely exposed, which is fine at lower speeds, but becomes a real concern in any serious collision scenario. This is fundamentally less protective than a full-face helmet, and that's just physics. Beyond the inherent design limitations, I encountered some quality control issues that are hard to overlook. The visor coating is quite thin and showed wear after just a few weeks of regular use. Some riders have reported inconsistent fit, particularly for those with oval-shaped or larger heads. The buckle system feels basic and doesn't inspire the same confidence as the more robust mechanisms on higher-quality helmets. Number 5. ILM 726X. The ILM offers something unique, a versatile modular design with a removable chin guard. This 3/4 helmet meets FMVSS and DOT safety standards and weighs in at approximately 1358 grams in size small. The 726X features both an adjustable sun visor at the top and a retractable tinted lens on the inside, giving you excellent sun protection options. What really sets this helmet apart is its convertibility. You can ride with full chin protection or remove the chin guard entirely for a more open-face experience. Testing this helmet over 5 months on various rides, I found it hits a sweet spot for commuters and urban riders. The ventilation system is well designed with adjustable vents on top and a slider underneath to control front airflow. Additional rear vents help with heat dissipation, though these aren't adjustable. The interior features excellent padding that stays comfortable even on longer rides, and everything is removable for washing. The quick-release buckle system works flawlessly, making the helmet easy to take on and off quickly. The retractable visor is genuinely one of my favorite features. Being able to flip it down on sunny days without swapping visors is incredibly convenient. The chin guard attaches and detaches easily with just 2 release buttons. However, it's important to note that while the main helmet is DOT certified, the removable chin guard itself is not separately certified. This means at really high speeds or for serious motorcycle riding, you might want a dedicated full-face helmet instead. 4. OneStorm Modular 901 Clear. This is a full modular flip-up helmet that brings serious functionality to the budget category. This helmet features a dual visor system with an inner smoked lens and outer clear shield, plus a modular flip-up design that gives you versatility when you need it. The Modular 901 is DOT certified and includes a 3-level top ventilation control system, plus 5-position ventilation adjustment. Some versions even come with an LED tail light for increased visibility, which is a thoughtful safety addition. What impressed me most during testing was how well this helmet balances protection with convenience. The modular design means you can flip up the chin bar at stoplights or when you need to communicate, then flip it back down for full protection while riding. The dual visor system works brilliantly. Having both tinted and clear options without needing to swap shields saves time and hassle. The ventilation system provides good airflow, and being able to adjust it across multiple positions means you can fine-tune comfort based on weather conditions. The helmet feels substantial without being overly heavy, and the padding provides good comfort for extended rides. Build quality exceeds expectations for this price range, with solid mechanisms and a shell that feels durable. The fit runs true to size, and the interior liner is removable for cleaning. One thing to note, like any modular helmet, it's slightly heavier than a traditional full-face design due to the flip-up mechanism. 3. HAX Mercury. This is a full-face helmet that punches well above its weight class. This helmet meets DOT safety standards and features an aerodynamic design with dual rear wings that reduce wind resistance and minimize wind noise. The Mercury uses a polycarbonate shell that's both lightweight and protective, weighing just 2.09 kilograms. It comes with an outer visor and inner sun visor, both treated with the latest UV technology to block approximately 98% of ultraviolet radiation. What really sets the Mercury apart is its attention to detail and rider comfort. The upgraded liner uses anti-allergic materials that feel extremely comfortable against your skin while providing excellent impact resistance. The internal design includes dedicated headset slots, making it easy to integrate a Cardo or similar communication system. The helmet is Pinlock ready, meaning you can purchase and install an anti-fog lens insert, specifically the DKS 274 model, compatible with Pinlock 70. This is a game changer for riding in varying temperatures. During my testing, the aerodynamics genuinely impressed me. Even at speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour, wind noise remained minimal, significantly less than other helmets I've used at similar price points. The rear spoiler isn't just for looks. It actually stabilizes the helmet at highway speeds. The ventilation system works effectively, with multiple vents that quickly exchange stuffy air for fresh airflow. The helmet also includes an emergency padding removal pull system, which allows first responders to safely remove the helmet if needed. 2. AMA-MBK-S. This is a modular flip-up helmet that's become incredibly popular among riders for good reason. This helmet meets and exceeds DOT safety standards, featuring an advanced flip-up design that gives you more flexibility than traditional full-face helmets. The 159 comes with dual visors, a clear visor with an integrated sun visor that drops down when needed. The fully removable interior makes cleaning easy, and some versions even include integrated Bluetooth capability for hands-free communication. What makes the AMA-MBK-S stand out is how well it executes the modular concept. The flip-up mechanism feels solid and locks securely in both positions. You never worry about it accidentally opening while riding. The dual visor system means you're prepared for any lighting conditions without carrying extra shields. The interior liner provides excellent comfort and impact resistance, and being completely removable means you can keep it fresh even with daily use. The helmet uses a double D-ring retention system, which is the gold standard for secure fitment. Ventilation is well designed with strategically placed vents that provide good airflow without creating excessive noise. The replaceable liners mean you can swap in fresh padding as needed, and different thickness options allow you to customize the fit. The visor mechanism operates smoothly, and the sun shield drops down with an easy one-hand operation. Build quality feels premium throughout, from the shell construction to the interior finishing touches. 1. HAX Amatista, model AMA-MBK-S. This helmet is both DOT and ECE approved, meeting international safety standards that give you confidence wherever you ride. The Amatista features an upgraded ABS shell combined with a thick, high-density, fully vented EPS liner, creating a helmet that's lightweight yet incredibly protective. The dual visor system includes both clear and tinted options, and the modular design flips up smoothly. What elevates the Amatista to the top position is the combination of premium features, build quality, and thoughtful design. The helmet is specifically engineered to be both lightweight and comfortable, with materials that don't sacrifice protection for reduced weight. The fit accommodates a wide range of head shapes, and the interior padding is exceptionally comfortable for all-day wear. The modular mechanism operates with precision. It's smooth, secure, and built to last through thousands of uses. Ventilation is excellent throughout the helmet, with the fully vented EPS liner working in conjunction with external vents to maintain airflow. The styling is modern and aggressive without being over the top, allowing the Amatista to pair well with any bike. Both male and female riders find the fit comfortable, making it a truly unisex option. The visor quality exceeds what you'd expect at this price point, with excellent optical clarity and smooth operation. Everything about this helmet feels refined, from the liner materials to the retention system. After extensive testing in various conditions, from daily commutes to weekend tours, the Amatista consistently impressed with its comfort, protection, and versatility. Outro. So there you have it, the 7 best motorcycle helmets under $200, ranked from good to exceptional. Remember, your helmet is the single most important piece of safety gear you'll ever buy, so choose wisely. Drop a comment below and let me know which helmet you're going with, or if you have experience with any of these models. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more gear reviews and riding content. Ride safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.